Hi class, let's take a look at example 4. And example 4 has an actual scenario and it's kind of a mess, but let's actually dissect it. So the first portion, they want us to create a sketch. Now, any problem that says create a sketch, they're actually talking about the Venn diagram. So they want us to see this scenario where you have technically one event in this direction out of the sample space, which happens to be the actual square, or basically if you have multiple events, the circles, if there's no intersection, then their circles are actually spread. So let's take a look at this one. And we have a couple of events actually in here. So let me declare the events before we forget. And in this case, I'm just going to say that let, in this case, well, the first event that they mentioned here is a business major. So let A equal to a business major, or selecting a business major. And then B is equal to, in this case, selecting a female. Okay, so let's talk about the actual sample space. And the sample space is going to be, in this case, this square. And I'm just going to call the total, in this case, S, equal to the total number of students. So you technically have 3,500 students. Now, we technically have the two events being or having an intersection of 425. So let me just declare this, or actually put the circle here, A, and this circle as B. Now, your Venn diagram has to have the totals. So your actual totals are basically, in this case, intersected by 425, which happens to be between these two events. So, actually, let me erase this since it's technically not part of it. So you're gonna have 425. Let me fix it. So the circle's not to scale, but at least I can fit the 425. I don't like the circle. Okay, so let's take a look at the total for A. And we said that A is your business majors. So your business majors as a total are A60. So that represents A. So the circle for A, in this case, that's going to be this circle. Total has to be 860. So technically the other portion that it's shown on circle A, it's going to be 860 minus 425. Please double check. This should be 435. Since these two totals have to add to the 860. And let me double check this. So I'm getting adding these two, a total of 860. Now event B is selecting a female. There's 1800 females. So 1800 minus the intersection 425, that gives us 1375. So let me double check. I'm getting 1800 between these two circles, which represent technically the 1800 there. And the last portion that we technically have to look into is what's on the outside of the two circles as a total. So I'm just going to be subtracting from 3,500 these three values. Okay, I'm getting 1265. Now, please take a second and double check that 1265 plus the other three values here add up to 3500. Let me double check. I'm getting 1265 plus 435 plus 425 plus 1375. I'm getting 3500. So your event or the Venn diagram consists of, well, basically the sample space, in this case at 3500, and then both of the events declared here. A represents business majors, B selecting females. That would be the sketch of this event. Any other Venn diagram, you just have to make sure that you include all portions of the problem in there as totals in the square or the circles. Now let's take a look at part B. In part B, they're saying, are the events of selecting a female and a business major mutually exclusive? And you're basically going to say no. In this case, we have 425, well, in this case, business majors that are females, or females business majors. Let me fix it. Okay, so let's take a look at probabilities. And we already declare A and B. In this case, find the probability of selecting a female. Female says B, so that's event B as I declare it here. So in this case, you can just jump to the probability of B. Now for B, the total number of female, it's actually given here as 1800. So this will be 1800 divided by the 3500. So that is going to be approximately, and let me keep it to 4 decimal places, 0.51. I'm getting 43 rounding to 4, or 0.51. That would be the probability of selecting a female. Let's take a look at selecting a business major. And our business major was A, so in this case, the probability of A, and we have 860 out of the 3500. So I'm getting that this is approximately 0.24, 57, 0.25. If they wanted to 4 decimal places, let me 2457. That would be to 4 decimal places and then to 2. Now, the next portion of the problem that they're asking is, this is referred as an AND. So any symbol as an AND, it's going to be looking for the intersection. So in this case, this is just simply the probability of A. Actually, wait, I have it backwards, and I just want to make sure it matches. So it'll be B intersect A, and that is referring to the intersection. So your intersection is only going to occur on the 425. So 425 at the actual 3500, which is going to give us approximately 0.1214. Approximately 0.12. Okay, let's take a look at the last one. And in this case, the last one represents a union. So let me actually use the same letters. So females come first, that's B. So in this particular one, they simply want the probability of B or A. Now this gets translated as the probability of B union A, and the formula, it's actually here. So you're looking at this formula for any technically or union event. And in this scenario, you're just going to apply the formula. And the formula is going to be applied as follows. So technically, this is event B. And this is equivalent to the probability of B plus the probability of A minus the probability of B intersect A. So that's what it represents, the union of both events. And you already have what B was. B from part C was technically 1800 out of the 3500. Plus the probability of A, that's 860. Whoops. Out of the 3500 minus the intersection. And the intersection was 425 out of the 3500. So please take a second and punch it in. Okay, so as a fraction, I'm getting 2235 out of the 3500. And this is approximately 0.63, 86 to 4 decimal places, or 0.64 to 2 decimal places. Okay, let me double check the numbers. 1800 plus 860 minus the 425, 2235 divided by 3500, 6386. That's actually it for this example.